What are the benefits of using hydrogen peroxide on dogs?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing the various benefits of using hydrogen peroxide on dogs. Hydrogen peroxide is a common household item that is often used for its antiseptic and disinfectant properties. But what are the specific benefits when it comes to using it on our canine companions?
Is hydrogen peroxide safe for dogs?
First and foremost, let's address the question of safety. Yes, hydrogen peroxide can be safe for dogs when used properly. It's important to use a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution and always consult with your veterinarian before using it on your pet.
How does hydrogen peroxide help in wound cleaning?
One of the main benefits of using hydrogen peroxide on dogs is its ability to clean and disinfect wounds. When applied to a wound, hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria and can help prevent infections. However, it's essential to use it sparingly, as overuse can cause irritation or delay the healing process.
Can hydrogen peroxide help with ear infections?
Another common use of hydrogen peroxide is to help treat ear infections in dogs. When diluted with an equal amount of water, hydrogen peroxide can be used to gently clean a dog's ears and remove debris, which can help to prevent or treat ear infections. However, it's important to consult your veterinarian before attempting this treatment, as not all ear infections are the same.
What about inducing vomiting in dogs?
In some cases, hydrogen peroxide can be used to induce vomiting in dogs when they have ingested something toxic or harmful. This should only be done under the guidance of a veterinarian, as there are situations where inducing vomiting can be more harmful than helpful. If your dog has ingested a toxic substance, always contact your veterinarian for advice. In conclusion, hydrogen peroxide can be a helpful tool for dog owners when used correctly. Its benefits include wound cleaning, treating ear infections, and inducing vomiting in specific situations. However, always consult with your veterinarian before using hydrogen peroxide on your dog to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your pet's specific needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.